some repairs, some reattachments, some relocating, and some reinforcement on some much needed dreadlock care. These repairs were done within 1 day. And within 1 day, we asked the client to bring in his dreadlocks that fell out prior for reattachment services, as well as recreating his grid lines while we repair his locks. We always start from the back. To find out more about our videos and about what we do and how we repair our dreadlocks, subscribe. Sign up to our classes. Learn how to make lucrative income by repairing, reattaching dreadlocks to clients who will travel miles to come and see you, the specialist, to repair their dreadlocks.
Silky, silky.
Excellent.
That shit hard, okay? My bitch, it take work to look like this.